Hello, you guys. Today I was telling about how to upload Panorama to Instagram. For that, we need to go to Play Store and install a app of Panorama. I was install the app of Panorama Crop Panocut. After that, you need to open that app. So, if you can, it's a scrolling. Mm. After that, we need to click on Panorama. Wait for a few seconds. It was scrolling. After that, I have a picture of this. So here we need to split this picture to three types. I've splitted the picture. So after that we need to click on preview. So we need to save like a photo. I was saving this like a photo. I was saving this. So it was skipping ad. Wait for a few seconds. After that you need to come back to Instagram account and click on the plus symbol. So here you need to click on post. 1 2 3. Again I was clicking on the next. So here we need to click on the next. So after that we need to share. Wait for a few seconds. It was scrolling. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the photo was scheme like this. Thank you.